Hello everyone. In this video, let us discuss how to access the string elements. String elements can be accessed using their index values, and square brackets will be used to access the elements of the string. Indexing always starts from 0 to n-1. Also, we have negative indexing concept in string. So the negative indexing starts from -1 and we will be starting from the last element of the string. Let us see this in Python. Let me take a variable s equals to string. So here I am going to print s of 0th index. So in 0th index I have the element s, right? So in string, indexing always starts from 0 and 0 represents the first element of the string. Let me go for some other index value. Let me take it as 3. So the third index position I have an element I, right? Let me check for negative indexing. So negative indexing, let us give -1. So as we know, negative indexing starts from the index value -1 and it points to the last element in the string. So in this case, the element is G. Next we have negative indexing concept. So as we discussed in the previous slide, negative indexing starts with -1 and it starts from the last element of the string. We have another concept called slicing. So slice is used to fetch the set of characters from the string, right? And in slicing, we can use the syntax as variable name within square brackets, use the start index and end index separated by colon, right? Here one point we need to remember. Whenever we are representing the end index, before that end index, whatever character we have up to that will be fetched. So here index 3 will not be included. Let us see this with an example. Already I have a string yes, right? So let me print s of 0:4, right? So for slicing concept, I have taken from 0th index as the start index and the end index is 4. These two are separated by a colon. So in this case, what will be my output? 0th index, first index, second index, third index. So up to third index, the characters will be fetched from the string. So the end index will not be included, right? Also, we have discussed that we are having negative indexing concept in Python, right? So if it is negative indexing, I need to give like this. Let me take from -5 to -1. So here the starting index is -5 and the end index is -1. Why? Because in negative indexing, it will be starting from the last element of my string. Here also, the end index position will not be included, right? So you can see we have -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So -5 points to the element T. So -5, -4, -3 up to -2 will be fetched, right? So this part will be sliced from the set of string characters. Then finally we have length function. So how many characters are available in a string? That can be fetched with the help of len function, so which is represented as len. So here let us see this with an example. S equals to, within single quotes, I am giving string length. Right? So print of len of yes variable name. Right? So within normal bracket I am giving the variable name. So len of yes. So we can get how many characters are available in the given set of string. So I can go for another example like a equals to hi message. Print of len of a. So I have 2 characters, right? So this is about the length function. And another thing, in Python, string does not have any single character concept, right? Even if it is a single character also, we are going to call them as string. We are going to specify it within single or double quotes. Okay, thank you.